Hello and welcome to another episode of Noosa for Sale. I'm Alex Harris and this is the beautiful 28 Moorhen Place, Noosaville. In a coveted position backing onto the Lake Dunella Environmental Reserve with the beautiful forest as the view and the occasional kangaroo at the back fence, this is Noosa living. The spacious single-level home has a fabulous floor plan with kitchen, living, dining and media room to the rear of the home, opening to the covered patio, deck and landscaped rear garden. You will love the serenity, the bird life, the easy walk to local schools and short drive to shops in all parts of Noosa. This is surprisingly centrally located. With 5.4 kilowatts of solar power, ceiling fans and aircon, 900ml 5-burner gas cooktop, double rain head shower in the ensuite, 2.7 metre ceilings, 15,000 litre in-ground rainwater tank. This fabulous home is located in one of the best positions in one of my favourite neighbourhoods. So if this home speaks to you, speak to me. I'm Alex, 0412 635 274.